This is Romeo the Professor. So I have a lot of my students that ask me, do I have Trust Wallet also? Not Trust Wallet, this right here, MetaMask. Well, I do have MetaMask also. And as you can see, this is my MetaMask account. I have about $51,381 in it. So ETH right now is close to an all-time high. Not an all-time high, but a high for the last, I would say, month and a half. It's touching 2,800. So I have 50,000. So I'm going to change this 50,000 ETH into DAI. Okay. Now I can click this swap right here. As you see, I can click the swap and then choose DAI right here. And then I can say send 17, which is 47,000. And then I can say get quotes. Okay. Now, when I do that on MetaMask, it searches all of these different Paraswap, API 1inch, Uniswap. It searches all of these different and try to get me the best deal, period. Okay, from all of these exchanges. So right now it's saying I'm being charged 128 and MetaMask is including their 0.875 fee. Okay, so if I look at the detail, you'll see it says overall value 64, 49, 65, 53. So I'm going to back out and see 128. I'm going to back out and do it a different way and see if I can get better fees. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to browser. Okay, sorry. I'm going home. And then I want it to go to Uniswap. Okay, so decentralized exchange. I got 1inch, AirSwap, Balancer, KeySwap, Matcha. I'm going to choose Uniswap right here. So I go into Uniswap. Okay. Now that I'm in Uniswap, it's connected. So now I'm going to go to DAI. Right here I have DAI. DAI is a stable coin. Okay. So now I want to send 17. So that's about 47,000, right? So let's see how much my fee is going to cost while it loads and does all that. So it says I'm positive. So it's even going to give me positive instead of using that. So I click swap and it says that I'm going to get 47,481 instead of that. Now, however, I will get a fee, gas fee, $50. So this is what's coming to my account. So I did better by doing it myself than having MetaMask find the cheapest route for me or the best route for me. Okay, so now I'm rating. Now, some will say, why did you send all of your ETH? So I left a good amount of ETH. It's just I decided to say the last 3 weeks, ETH did over 15% growth. So because it did over 15% growth, I said, let me at least take that. And I do have ETH in another account. Remember, I have Trust Wallet and I have others. I have crypto.com, I have Coinbase, I have Binance, and I have Voyager. But from here, I said to myself, let me take that. So now when I go back and I look at my wallet, this is what my wallet, it says DAI 47,742 and it says ETH 3,532. That was my friend that was calling. Okay, I am Romeo the Professor. Subscribe and follow and share. Okay, I am Romeo the Professor. Thanks.